Okay, hello. All right, now it is time to do the cover creator. Okay, so what you're going to do when you log back into your KDP is you will go to launch cover creator. This will take a moment to bring up all of the features and the templates that you can use when you are creating the cover creator. Okay, so there's a little tutorial here that you can follow if you would like to, but I'm going to show you as well. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do when you are in the cover creator is you're going to see a bunch of different layouts, okay? So it automatically imports your title and your author, your name, whatever you put on that first page. Now, this is just showing you different ways that your novel could look, okay? Different ways it can be formatted. So I really like this one, and so I'm going to say choose design. Now, let's say I want to change the photo in the background. To change the photo, you just have to click on the photo, the image, and say choose a new cover image. And from the image gallery. Now, there are tons of different pictures that you can use. Maybe you want to do something with black and white, make it like really intense and artsy and super cool looking. So you can click on whichever one you think is a good fit for your novel. And this is the one that I chose before, but maybe I want to do this. And I want to use that as my background. And so then I can see how that looks in the format when it's all laid out. You can change the font color. You can change the size of the font. You can change the type of font that it is. There's a lot of things that you can do with the colors in there. So don't let your background determine the colors of your font. You can make it all work together so it looks correct, okay? It looks easy to read for the reader. Okay, on the back here is the book blurb. Again, you're going to take that book blurb that you already wrote and you're just going to copy and paste it here in the back of your book. And then you can also do an about the author here. So you can say whatever you would like in this part. You can also upload a picture of yourself. When you originally come to this template design, this is going to be just like a whole bunch of Latin. And you're going to be like, what is this? Well, it doesn't matter. Just delete it. It's a placeholder. And then you can type in your own book blurb and anything else that you want to include in there. So I'm noticing this font is really hard to read. I might have to change my background because I don't know if I can get a good font color here that will make it so people can actually read what is there. So I'm going to play around with my background image and make it look the way that I want it to before I send it off to be printed. So once you figure out how you want your cover to look, so this is the front of the book, this is the back of the book, then you can click preview, take a look at it, make sure you're happy, and then when you are happy with it, just click save. Okay. Once you have uploaded your cover, you know you've done it successfully when it says cover uploaded successfully. So keep on going down, and this asks, did you use AI tools in creating any of the images or any of the text? You have to click yes or no. You better click no. And then I'm just going to click to confirm that it's actually true. I didn't change anything, or I didn't use AI for anything. Okay, so now you're going to launch your book preview. Now this will take a couple minutes, especially if your book is very long. It's going to take a little while, okay? So get a little snack, get some water, and then come back. Okay, once the launcher is open, you can preview your book by flipping through every single page, okay? So flipping through, making sure the pages all look the way that you want them to. If you are working and you realize, oh no, something is wrong, maybe a chapter starts in the wrong place, what you have to do is go back to your Google Doc where your novel is, fix what you need to fix, re-download it as a PDF, and then upload it back to this. Part 4 coming in a sec.